Welcome to the trending question of the day. And the trending question of the day from Court Helicopter is this question of the sentence of Julius Malema in South Africa and the subsequent release of his. How does the release of Malema have a bearing to the Kenyan law? Under Cap 114 of the laws of Kenya, this is the law that governs the issuance of civilian firearms into the hands of civilians. How can you get a civilian firearm? In Kenya, the procedure is so simple. You apply to your area OSPD. Once you have applied to your area OSPD, they will come and they will come and assess your premises. You'll give reasons as to why you want this gun. Vetting will be done. Vetting on two issues: whether you are mentally fit to have a civilian firearm. Two, whether there is need. Are you exposed in terms of security for you to be issued a firearm? That vetting, after that, they will take that vetting to the County Security Committee. From the County Security Committee, it will move on until the board, the Firearms Licensing Board, will make a decision whether you are fit to have a firearm. Once you have been approved to have a firearm, you'll be licensed to buy a firearm, and once you have a firearm, within where you stay, you'll be required to have a shelf, and that shelf, nobody is supposed to have it. There are rules on how to have that gun. One, there are 4 types of guns that you cannot be allowed to have. These are, for example, the AK-47, the G3 form gun, and the MP5. All these are government guns, so you cannot be allowed to have them. 2, that gun, you cannot give it to your wife, you can't give it to your husband, you can't give it to your child. 3, that gun must always be safe. 4, when traveling on, for example, traveling in a public aeroplane, you must surrender that gun. When traveling on a train, you must surrender that gun for safe custody until you reach that destination. That gun, you are not supposed to show it in public. For example, you have seen very many people when they are drunk in bar, they are telling you, wewe cheza na mimi, I'll shoot you. Do you know I'm armed? When somebody tells you, check, I'm armed. There are rules and regulations about the handling of this gun.